Curious about FetLife? Known as the Facebook for kink, it's one of the biggest social platforms for fetish communities worldwide. But the real question is it safe? Is it worth joining? In this video, we break down all of FetLife's features, pros, risks, and whether it's the right platform for you. FetLife launched in 2008 as a niche social network for people interested in BDSM, kink, and fetish lifestyles. Unlike dating apps, FetLife is completely community-driven. Think of it as a mix between maybe Facebook and Reddit, but centered completely around alternative sexuality. Users can create profiles, join groups, post updates, and attend real-world events. With millions, and I'm talking millions, of members globally, it's one of the largest spaces where people can connect around specific interests. FetLife's standout features include groups and forums where you can find discussions on literally every single niche interest that there is. Trust me, your interest is there. Also, they offer event listings, helping people meet up at munches, workshops, and kink parties. It also offers profile customization, which allows users to showcase specific interests, photos, and connections. And importantly, a community-first model is what they go off of. It's not about swiping left or swiping right. It's all about interaction. So what's good about FetLife, somebody may ask? First, size and diversity. You'll find communities for just about every kink imaginable. Second is the openness of the site. It's a judgment-free space where people can be themselves without the mainstream stigma attached to their interests. Third is the real-world connections that you make. Many local communities organize through FetLife, making it a hub if you want to actually meet people offline. For those tired of dating app culture, FetLife feels more like a community than a marketplace. But even with all its positive aspects, FetLife is not perfect. Privacy is still a major concern. While FetLife doesn't index profiles on Google, it's still possible for others to see your activity. So make sure that you think carefully about how much you share. Moderation can also be inconsistent. Fake profiles, trolls, or unsafe individuals do exist. Unlike mainstream platforms, reporting systems aren't always as fast on FetLife. And because FetLife isn't designed as a dating site, new users may feel a little overwhelmed by its community-first structure. Navigating groups and finding those genuine connections can really take some time. Compared to some dating apps like Tinder or niche platforms like FeetFinder, FetLife is less about hookups and more about long-term community. This is what makes it unique, but also harder if you're just looking for casual encounters. It's closer to Reddit than it would be to Bumble. Okay, you guys, so bottom line, FetLife is definitely a powerful platform if you want to explore kinks within a large, active community. For sure, it shines for those who value openness and real-world events, but keep in mind, it does come with privacy risks and a learning curve as well. If you do decide to join, make sure that you use common sense safety practices and manage your expectations. But what if you're looking for something more focused, especially if you're into feet content? Well, that's where FeetFinder comes in. Unlike FetLife's broad community, FeetFinder is a dedicated, secure platform built specifically for buying and selling feet content. It's not just about connecting with others on FeetFinder who share your interests. It's also about giving models and creators alike the chance to safely earn money in a verified environment, which is super important, especially in this world we're in today. Make sure that you check out the link below to explore FeetFinder and see how you can join one of the internet's most trusted niche communities. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest and open breakdowns of these platforms. See you guys next time.